So now we will learn how to subtract integers. Okay, can you recall the rule in subtracting integers? Okay, let's take this out. We'll have an example. 37 minus negative 14. You have to change the sign of the subtrahend. Where is your subtrahend? The number that you subtract is the subtrahend. The number that you subtract is the subtrahend. And this is your minuend. Okay. Remember that. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So this will become positive and proceed to addition. So you have to add the numbers. 37 is positive, 14 is positive, both are positive. You have to add the absolute value and copy the common sign. So 37 plus 14 is 51. And the sign is positive, positive, positive. Okay, next. 21 minus 8. Okay, where is your subtrahend? Your subtrahend is 8. Remember, 8 is positive. Remember, 8 is positive because this negative is your operational sign. 21 minus positive 8. So change the sign of the subtrahend. The positive will become negative and proceed to addition. 21, positive 21 plus negative 8. Positive, negative, different sign. You have to subtract the absolute value. 21 minus 8, 13. Then copy the sign of the greater number. Which is greater, 21 or 8? 21. And the sign is positive. So the answer is 13. Okay, let's try another one. Negative 82 minus 12. Okay. 82, your minuend is negative. Your subtrahend is positive. Remember, again, this is your operational sign. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This positive 12 will become negative, then change to addition. Negative 82 plus negative 12. So, the answer is, add the absolute value, 94, and then copy the common sign, negative. Okay, next. Another one. Negative 42 minus negative 9. Okay, what will you do? Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become positive and then proceed to addition. Negative 42 plus positive 9. Different signs, you have to subtract the absolute value. So 42 minus 9, 33. Then copy the sign of the greater number. Which is greater, 42 or 9? 42. And what is the sign of 42? Negative. So your answer is negative 33. Okay, let's try another one. A little more complicated. Negative 42 minus negative 32 minus 70. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay. What is your subtrahend? You have two subtrahends here. This is your minuend. These two are subtrahend. Okay. So, what is the rule? Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become positive and then proceed to addition. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This positive will become negative and change the sign to addition. Okay. Negative 42 plus positive 32. Different sign. Negative 42, positive 32. Subtract the absolute value. 42 minus 32 is 10. Then copy the sign of the greater number. 42 is greater than 32. So, the sign is negative. Now, plus negative 70. 10 is negative, 70 is negative. Add the absolute value. 10 plus 70 is 80. Then, copy the common sign. The answer is negative 80. Okay, that's it.